continuing to do.
आज आमच्या ह्या दर्यांत आमकां फावो त्या प्रमाणे बिजनेस करूंक मेळना. आमच्यो राबण्यो दर्यांत घालपाक मेळना. कारण आज दर्यो बिजनेसकारांच्या हातींत पडत गेला. आनीक जायतीं वर्सां जालीं आमी हेजे झुजत आयले. पूण खंयचोय फुडारी खंयचोय लिडर आमची खबर घेवंक ना. आज अनेक पाटी म्हणटा काळजांतल्यान खुशी हांव तूं जेन्ना आयकोन आमच्यो अडचण्यो आज हे आमच्या धाकटुल्या गांवांत पावलो आनी आमच्यो अडचण्यो तुवें आयकोंक आमकां सेक दिलो.
He's saying that today in the sea there is less fish and there are other businessmen who wants to take over our rights, and for several years or decades we have been fighting, and he once again wants to thank you that you have come to listen to us, because before that nobody have come in this scale to listen to our problems.
तेच बरोबर राहुलजी हांव तुका सांगूंक सोदतां, जेन्ना आमी हिंगा उबे आहाय त्या जाग्यार हांव भुरगो आसतना घरां आसलीं फिशरमॅनाची. ती वर्सां वर्स उदक वाडोन हिरोजन जायन जमीन कातरत वयता. आनी आज ह्या 10 वर्सां मदें सुमार 25 मिटर दर्यो वयर येयला. म्हणून आमी ह्या सरकाराक मागलें आमकां प्रोटेक्ट करात. जेन्ना हो दर्यो वयर येता ताका तर कितेंय तर प्रोटेक्ट करपाक आमकां आदार करात. पूण आज पासून कोणेंय आमकां प्रोटेक्ट करूंक ना. नो म्हणून हिंगा उदक वयर येवपाक कितेंय तर घालूंक ना. त्या पासत हांव मागतां आज राहुलजी कडेन, कित्याक तूं तर आमच्यो अडचणी आयकतलो आनी आमकां प्रोटेक्ट करतलो म्हूण कितेंय तर दर्या उदक वयर येवपाचें.
So he's saying that as a kid at the same place he was working, and today there is a sea level rise. Almost 25 meters the water is entered in. We have been continuously demanding from the government to work out a solution to stop this erosion, but unfortunately there is no one who has come to their rescue, and we are almost on the brink of erosion, total displacement of houses and occupation.
Where exactly is this? This whole area?
Yes.
तेच बरोबर आज आमकां फिशींग कम्युनिटीक भरपूर त्रास आहा सरकारा कडच्यान. आमकां बेनिफीट कांयच ना. जेन्ना आमच्यो ह्यो फायबर रजिस्टर्ड आसाय आनी ते फायबराक आउटबोर्ड मोटर आसाय आनी हेका ट्रेडिशनल आसाय. तेन्ना आमकां पयलो काँग्रेस सरकार आसतना सबसिडी दितालो आनी ती मातांनी आमदार जातकीर ती सबसिडी आमकां एक मोटर हाडल्यान पेट्रोल सबसिडी म्हणून 50,000 दितालो. आज मातांनी संपलो. तेच बराबर आज ही सबसिडी दिताली ती संपली. आज 4 फायबरांक मोटरांक सबसिडी मेळटाली जाल्यार आज एकूच मोटराक सबसिडी मेळटा ती जाल्यार 30,000. पूण पेट्रोलाची रेट जाल्या 100 आनी अदीक. म्हणटरीच आमकां सबसिडी वाडोवचे बोलते आज सबसिडी सकयल काडल्या आनी देंवयल्या हे BJP सरकारान.
So he's saying at the Congress time we had the subsidies for the cano, engine and for the petrol. And our late leader, Matani Saldana, when he was alive, he had increased it to 50,000. But sadly now, these subsidies have been reduced to 60% when the petrol price has gone to a peak, and they are facing huge problems because they have to go to the sea, spend more time, spend more hours sailing, and they get very less fish. So they want this subsidy to be increased at the time of price of petrol.
How is the impact on him and all of you of rising petrol prices, diesel prices?
So what happens is because there is less...
Can you ask him?
तो म्हणटा सबसिडीक लागून कशे प्रॉब्लेम जाता आनी कित्याक प्रॉब्लेम कशे प्रॉब्लेम.
सबसिडी लागून प्रॉब्लेम जाता. आज पेट्रोलाची रेट वाडल्या. पेट्रोल घेवपा आमकोडे ते भाशेन पयशे घडनाय. कारण आमी दोयऱ्यान तर नुस्तें मारूंक गेले जाल्यार 3,000 तर पेट्रोल घालून दोऱ्याक गेले जाल्यार 2,000 आमकां नुस्तें मेळना. हे नुस्त्याक आमकां मेळना जावपाक कारण हे सगळे मेकॅनिझम. जेन्ना आज दोयऱ्यान बुल ट्रॉलिंग, स्पीड बोट फिशींग हे जावन आमचे दोयऱ्याचें नुस्तें इबाड जावन नॉस जाला. आनी आमी बोवाड मारीत आसाय हे बुल ट्रॉलिंग आनी स्पीड बोट फिशींग बंद करच्यो म्हणून. गोंयच्यो बोट्यो 25 हाडल्यो जाल्यार कर्नाटकाच्यो 500 बोट्यो येवन हे दोयऱ्यांत आमचे नुस्तें ते मारतात. आमी फिशरी डिपार्टमेंटाक कळयलें, फिशरी मिनिस्टराक कळयलें, आमच्या चीफ मिनिस्टराक कळयलें. हेजे कांयच फायदो ना आनी कांयच आमचेर हेजे एक्शन जावंक ना. आनी आमच्यो धाकट्यो धाकट्यो आहाय त्यो राबड्यो आहाय ह्यो तर दोयऱ्यांत तर घेवन गेले जाल्यार आनी कायद्या भायर तर मारले जाल्यार त्या व्हरोन फिशरी बोट येवन फिशरी डिपार्टमेंट व्हरोन आपल्या धोक्या बांदता आनी तेजेर कारवाय करता. पूण पयर थोडे दीस फाटीं मालपेच्यो बोट्यो गोंया येयल्यो आनी गोंयाच्या दोयऱ्यान आमच्या ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅनान धरल्यो. पूण त्यो 2 दिसांनी ते रिलीज जाल्यो. पूण आज आमचे धाकटे कॅनो दोयऱ्या फिशेक बांदलो आहाय ते अजुनूय पासून कारवाय जावंक ना आनी त्यो रिलीज जावंक नाय.
Sir, he said that if I have to spend 5,000 on petrol when I go into the sea, but I don't even get 3,000 rupees fish. Plus, there is this illegal fishing which is taking place by the mechanized trawlers, that is bull trawling and high-speed China engines. These bull trawling and China engines are being used by the Karnataka Malpe trawlers, and they come into the sea and they take the catch of a year in just 15 to 20 days. And because of that, they have to suffer adversely.
So you are being squeezed between the big fishermen and the actions of the government. Can you?
म्हणटात व्हडले फिशरमॅन आनी धाकटे फिशरमॅनाक आनी गव्हर्मेंट तुमकां आनी चिपयता म्हणून.
एक्चुअली म्हणटर रावजी आनी एक म्हज्या सांगणें आहा. जेन्ना आमचे आजे पणजे हे जमनीर धाकटी धाकटी घरां बांदून हिंगा रावन धंदो केलो सुमार 100 वर्सां अदीक. पूण आतां 1991 हो शेअर एक कायदो म्हूण हाडलो आनी आमकां कितेंच हिंग बांदपाक जायना, वो आमचें घर रिनोवेट करपाक जायना, आमच्यान कांयच करूंक जायना फिशरमॅनाच्यान. पूण जेन्ना 50 मिटरांचेर हॉटेलां लायसन्स मेळटा, हालीं सिदार्थ गोवा सकयल दोयऱ्यान सारकें रिटर्निंग वॉल बांदलां ताका परमिशन मेळटा. पूण आमकां फॅमिली घेवन रावतले आनी आमचें घर तें रिनोवेट करतलें जाल्यार CRZ आमकां आडायता आनी आमी इलिगल बांदचें पडटा आनी तेन्ना CRZ आमचेर एक्शन घेता.
Sir, in 1991, the CRZ notification had come, and they had said under the notification that all the fishermen houses will be regularized. But till date, their houses are not been regularized. If big hotels, they build their project in just 50 meters of the high tide line, they get permissions. But for their small houses to renovate or to build, they never get permissions. On top, they get demolition orders. And he requests that this issue should be addressed.
राहुलजी, आज हांव ह्या मेमोरंडमांत म्हज्यो अडचण्यो आज त्यो बरोवन दवरल्यात आनी जायतें सांगपाचें आसलें. लोक आनी स्पिकर आहाय देखून हांव मुगे थोड्या उतरांनी काबार करता आनी हो मेमोरंडम दिता आनी हांव सजमतां ह्या मेमोरंडा वयल्यान तूं म्हाका कितें तर आशिर्वाद करतलो म्हणून.
So on behalf of the fishing community, Agnel wants to give a memorandum of all fishermen issues, which because of time he cannot speak, therefore he will give you in writing.
थँक यू बाबा अग्नेल. आता आमचो फुडलो स्पीकर आमचे फुडें चलोन येता. प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस युअर सेल्फ सर.
And if you can keep it relatively short, then more people can speak. You just translate.
या
Just translate.
आणि मागता सगळ्यांनी थोडक्यान सांगचें आणि खुबशे लोक उलोवपा सोदता सगळ्यांक टायम मेळपा जायो तेकाय तुमचें आयकपाक जाय.
Also, I need to listen to what the women have to say.
येस विमेन सांगता बायलांचें आयकपाक जाय म्हण.
First of all, I'm very glad to see you, Rahulji. A hearty welcome from
Thank
my
you.
society, Toddy Tappers. I'm from Toddy Tappers community. I'm the president of all Goa Toddy Tappers Association. A hearty welcome to you once again.
Thank you.
I want to say how, like now Agnel had said, regarding the coastal issues, and the same time we Toddy Tappers also have the houses on the coastal areas. As it is not include, our houses are registered on the, and it is for long decades. Our ancestors used to do the business of distilling, and we have like small distilleries which we call butties and all, and small houses. So now, since this CRZ is a notification, but we are not allowed to construct over there, or we are not included in that partition. This, so it's my kind request on behalf of our Toddy Tappers community, so that along with the fishermen, also the Toddy Tappers must be included. It's my kind request for your party and your.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
थँक्यू रेमी. आता राहुल बाबान सांगलं तुमची जबाबदारी. हू स्टँडिंग? येस. Olencio, she's speaking there. Olencio, please find over the mic that side.
One of the ladies.
One of the ladies. उभं राहा वय.
Not you. Not you.
तू उलयता उभं राहा. चल
Shy.
उभं राहा.
Huh?
ते उलयता. Please sit on the mic. Please sit on the mic.
Would one lady would. I will. One second.
हांव आग्नेल फेर्नांदीस. हांव रावता मोड्या.
First one lady, then you.
Who want to speak?
Give her a big clap.
म्हजें नांव मारियानी वास्कोचें. जेन्ना आमी हे बाजरा लागून आजीर जाल्ले आसा हे भावा सांगू कित्याक आमकां तें कोण होलसेल चलता कित्याक आमगे धंदो सारको चलना तेका लागून आमी एकठांय जाले आमी कितें आदार करता म्हूण. थँक्यू.
Sir, the fisher ladies of Vasco Market have come here to address you their issues. They have been right now there's a new market which is coming, and without giving any assurance, they have been try to be kicked off from that place. Plus, there is a lot of illegal sale of fish which takes place. So people don't come to the market, and they don't get they can't do sale. So they want that issue to be addressed.
Thank you.
आत बरें दिसता.
हॅलो राहुल गांधी हांव आज येता इंग्लीश कोंकणीक उलयता. बाबा म्हाज्या आमी ह्या इतल्या वर्सान आमी नुस्तें हिंगता थिंग बिल्ला बाजारान पण आतां सद्याक इलेक्शना टायमार येव कोता म्हणून आमगे बाबा ते आहा ते आमचे पोट ते आमकां तोच बाजार जाय आहा ते आमगे तेच भुरगीं बाळ्या ते नुस्त्याचे कोणूच आमगे भुरगीं बाळ्यां पोसता. कशेंय करून आदार बाबा तुजो आमकां कित्याक आमी कशेंय करून आमचे बाजार आमकां ते दुसरी कडेन नाका आहा तेच बाजार पुरो आमकां जाय थिंग नुस्तें हिंगताय आमगे पोट भरनाय. आहा एक पाटी नुस्तें आय तें हपनाय बाबा सगळीं जाय थिंग गाडी आडोय नुस्तें हिंकोन लायताय पण आमकां आहा तें नुस्तें आमचे दुसरी बाजार आमकां नाका. आहा तेच बाजार आमकां नाका आमकां तेच बाजार जाय. आहा तेच बाजार आमकां जाय आमी तेच भुरग्यां बाळ्यान आमी तेच आमच्या पोट आमकां दुसरी कडेन नाका आमी तेच तुजे कडेन मागू 2 उतर मागू सोंपतलें. थँक्यू.
She wants to say that she has been selling fish at Birla in that market for over 11 years. By selling fish, she looks after her family, her children, their education. And with the current trend where people are selling elsewhere, new markets are coming up, the local fisher women who've been struggling to make ends meet are suffering.
Right.
She is looking forward to you, and she said, Baba, which means brother. We look forward to you taking their problems ahead and finding a solution to them. Anikon,
Next.
we have here
हांव आग्नेलो फेर्नांदीस. हांव रावता मोड्या हिंगसो 500 मिटर मुगे घर आनी आमकां त्रास कोता रेल्वे मातशें तुवें चोवचें.
he is Agnello Fernandez, who lives around 500 meters from here. And The railway tracks are affecting them tremendously. It's like sleepless nights for most of the people who live along the tracks. And so, as you know, we've been explaining about the double tracking. With the double tracking coming to Goa or this area, we'll be doomed. We have no future. Our lands will be destroyed. The environment will be destroyed. It's just not the health. The production of coconuts will be affected. The seed too will be affected. I come from the Toddy Tappers Association. I am from the same family. And we understand how people are affected when such environmental destructive projects come into society. We have here Mr. Pele Fernandez from Benavali, sir.
Sir, I am a traditional fisherman. I born on the beach. Understand now? I speak little English.
You're a traditional fisherman, but you're looking like a very modern person.
Modern, we have to, listen sir. We have modern guy like you come Goa handsome and fit. Listen to me sir.
Yeah.
My whole family is traditional fishermen. We born on the beach. And we have not motorboat. We have rowing boat. Understand now?
Yeah.
And today, all outside from Karnataka and Bombay, big fishing boat, which is 750 horsepower coming on our sea, which is not even 1 kilometer far. When I call police, when I call fishermen, traditional fishing department, nobody listened to me. So 10 days ago, I take my brother along with 3 policemen, coastal belt, and I caught 3 boats, and give it to hand over to the police. After that, I have nothing to inform. They didn't inform me anything. When I call PI of coastal belt, he said, Pele, we don't have coastal boats to go and catch them. If you have boat, I send my department policemen. Now you tell me why we have to use our own boat for this small, pretty Goa. Your government should have your own boat. So now after 5 years you come to this beach to think about traditional fishermen. You promised me you will buy at least 20 coastal boats. First you tell me.
I didn't promise you that.
No, coastal belt. If your government come, what is benefit for us?
Well, I'll tell you what the benefit for you is.
Yeah.
First of all, if you want, so we can look into that and we can try and get you coastal boats.
Yeah.
The second thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that this double tracking and this coal hub does not come to Goa and that you don't have to breed dirty coal. That's what we're going to do.
We also don't want coal to be in our small mini Goa. All traditional fishermen will die if Goa, there will be coal city or coal village. My stomach only fill with this fishing. This is my second God, see. So you come to Goa, we will bring your government if you do our work. 1 minute. You just come here, another 3 months to go, sir. Yes or not? Don't promise and fly like a bird. Promise what you will do in Goa. And we want Congress come, our work should be done in Goa. You agree?
I don't see. My credibility is important to me. Unlike many other leaders, my credibility is important to me. So if I'm going to say something over here, I'm going to make sure it happens in Goa.
Thank you, sir.
Right?
We love that.
And I'll tell you why.
Yeah.
Because if I come here and I say to you that we will not allow coal hub to be built in Goa, right?
Yeah.
And I don't do it, then the next time I come here, I will have no credibility. That is why when I say something here, I am going to make sure it happens. So that next time I can come here and say the same again.
Sir, one more I tell you as a fisherman. we, our just president of
No,
Goa
let me just say
Fishermen
one or two
talk.
things. Let me say one or
Yeah,
two things.
yeah.
For example, we fought an election in Chhattisgarh.
Yes, sir.
We made a commitment in Chhattisgarh to the farmers that their loans will be waived.
Yes, sir.
We waived the loans in Chhattisgarh. You can go to Chhattisgarh, you can ask them exactly how much they pay for rice, whether their loans were waived. You can go to Punjab, you can ask the same question. You can go to Karnataka, you can ask the same question. So I am not here to waste your time. I'm not interested.
Good man.
Okay? I'm also not interested, one second, let me speak. I'm also not interested in wasting my time. Because just as your time is important,
Yeah.
my time is important.
Yeah.
So that is why the commitments that we are going to make to you in our manifesto, they are not just commitments, they are guarantees. Okay? Please understand that clearly. What goes in our manifesto is a guarantee. It is not just a commitment. It is a guarantee that we are going to do.
Last question, sir.
Finally, let me speak. Let me speak.
Yeah.
I love the sea here.
Beautiful.
Sometimes when my mother is not feeling well, she comes here. Okay, so she takes benefit of your beautiful climate, your beautiful environment. Right? She takes benefit of your beautiful climate, your beautiful sea. And there are thousands and thousands and thousands of people in India who also love the sea here, love the environment here. And that is why we are not just protecting the environment for the people of Goa. We are protecting the environment for all of us and for the people of India. You have to remember that.
Perfect.
Right? So these are the reasons I'm standing here. And I am coming here again to make clear commitments on behalf of the Congress Party. And you should have a view on us.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Last question, sir. We are traditional Goa fishermen. We need lot of petrol to find the fish. We don't know where is fish. Today, our government make petrol 106 rupees. That's not including oil.
My brother, I hope you know that I'm not from the
No, I'm
BJP.
telling
I'm
you.
from the Congress.
I'm saying you, sir, if your government come,
No.
you should don't promise false like that.
You cannot blame us for
No,
petrol
I'm
prices.
telling you in advance.
Let me speak.
You will win your
Let me
government
speak.
before later.
Let me speak. Let me give you a little bit of when the UPA government was in power. No, relax. When the UPA government
You guys call us to talk here as a fisherman, traditional fisherman. We come all the way from Benaulim, and if you don't want to talk, then please stay.
my brother,
Sorry, Pele.
my brother,
There are
you have
many
talked
people waiting
talked
here.
for so long. Come on. There are others, brother. There are others here.
Okay, thank you.
No, but one second.
We hardly got any
one
time
second,
because we have to go to
I want to
Penjipon.
answer your last question.
Okay, please.
I want to answer your last question. Yeah. Now, when the UPA government was in power, international petrol prices had reached $140 per barrel. Today, the petrol price and diesel price in the international market is much lower than when we are in power. But you pay much more for your petrol and diesel. You should understand that today, India taxes petrol among the highest in the world. And that is why you are paying high prices for petrol. It is not that petrol on the international market is that expensive. It is that petrol in India is that expensive. You have to ask yourself, where is that money going? To whom is that money going? And who are the people who are being benefited by this coal hub that is being built here, by the price of petrol? And if you look carefully, you will find they're the same 2 or 3, 4, 5 businessmen who are benefiting from all these things. Thank you. Nice talking to you.
I hope you listen to our things.
I will.
Hello, sir. Hello. Hello, sir.
Hello.
म्हजें नांव आंतोनियो. हांव मोल्यान गांवांत रावतां फ्रॉम हियर 50 मिटर्स अवे. आनीक म्हजें घर रेल्वेक तेंकोन आसता आनी म्हजो प्लॉट आसता. म्हळ्यार आयज गोवा गव्हर्मेंट आमकां इतलें सदायता लेटर करून तुजी अर्दी जमीन आपल्याक दी म्हणटा अर्दी जमीन आपल्याक दी म्हणटा आनी जरी तर म्हजो एक 500 मेत्रांचो प्लॉट आसा तो अर्दी जमीन गव्हर्मेंटाक दिली जाल्यार म्हाका आनी कांयच उरना जाल्यार इतले त्रास करता आतां आमी 2 वर्सां जालीं आमच्या सिव्हील कोर्टान झगडटा आनीक आयज ते आयज आमी कोर्टान पासून घातलां जाल्यार आयज सर तूं आमकां मातशें रेल्वेच्या बाबतींत हे डबल ट्रॅक नाका म्हणून मातशें तुवें आदार करचो सर थँक्यू
क्या
Same topic. It is same topic. It is that land has been land issues. Yeah.
Sir, he is a villager just 50 meters from here. He has requested you to please come to his village and see how the railway track is affecting his house and will affect all the houses along the Goa's state of Goa. So he has requested you to come to his place.
Right now? Right now?
Yes, sir, right now.
Please come and see the village.
I will come.
Thank
I
you.
will come.
Next. Savio.
Hello. So, good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Goa. My name is Savio De Silva, and I'm the Sarpanch of Village Panchayat Veli, also a fishing village, and also I'm a president of Kudbon Boat Owners Union Development Society. I've just written a few points. I will just go through.
Please.
It will be quick. To all my brothers and sisters, all my fishermen brothers and sisters, coming from a fishing community from Veli, I would like to highlight some days back that the BJP government highlighted Swampan Purna Utsav, where the beneficiaries said they got subsidy on vehicles purchased up to 40%. I would like to highlight that the scheme was introduced by the Congress government, which the current government only changed its name. I realized that many fishermen brothers wanted to purchase insulated vehicles but could not afford it. It was then that I was told there was a central scheme under which the government of India was giving 50% subsidy for insulated vehicles. I highlighted the matter to the Fisheries Department that the Fisheries Department of Goa help in processing the papers so that our Goan brothers can get this insulated vehicle at 50% subsidy, which other states were taking benefit. Today, because of my efforts, many fishermen brothers from Kudbon Valley have purchased these vehicles, which the present government has brought down the subsidy from 50% to 40%. And for ladies, it's 60% subsidy. All my fishermen brothers and sisters, please do take advantage of these schemes. Even fishmongers selling fish on bike can get subsidy. It is duty of the elected representative to benefit, to make people aware of such scheme which I have done and benefit my community. Other states are getting subsidy on solar energy for their boats. It's a duty of our fisheries minister to give us the same scheme available in coastal states. So I will conclude my speech saying to Acche Din to come, please bring the Congress government to power, as we were the only government which will fulfill the public's pain and have reduced diesel and petrol prices when the international prices were shooting up. Once again, I will appeal to vote for a Congress government so we don't have to be suppressed for next 5 years. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
My name is Joseph Fernandez. I am a local here from Arosim village. I just wanted to talk to you regarding the coastal belt of Goa. Now, to tell you, sir, if you walk from this beach, you will continuously reach to Betul without any disturbance. Now, this beach, Long Beach from South Goa, is being exploited by the corporates. Now here, many hotels are in the pipeline, which are destroying the environment of this coastal belt of Goa. So I would like to request you, instead of bringing these hotels, why can't you allow the people to have such type of facility in their own residences, so that the tourists from other places, like international tourists, other Indian tourists, can enjoy the same facility along with the locals. Now these people who are corporates, who are trying to build their big hotels, are destroying our sand dunes, are destroying our environment like water bodies. There are so many water bodies in this coastal belt. Handios are there. Handios are these water drains. We call them in our language handios. These handios are being destroyed. Water from the hotel, used water from the hotel are discharged in the handios. Sea is getting destroyed. Sewage is also discharged in these handios where it flows to the sea. If you like to see this, I can take you to Park Hyatt Hotel, now ITC. Still today, they are discharging this used sewage water in the handios. So, we would like to request you to stop all these hotel projects which are coming in the coastal belt to protect our environment, to protect our sand dunes, to protect our water bodies, to protect our handios, and at the same time to protect our locals. Now, you may say that these hotels bring revenue. I just want to know, we have a ITC hotel here in ROC, how much revenue they are giving for the panchayat. Whereas if we have 2 flats for our own, in our own house, they are charging 1,500 rupees, 1,800 rupees, 2,000 rupees and more for that as a house tax for that flats. But whereas they are only charging 1,000 or 1,800 rupees for this big 250 rooms, 350 rooms hotel projects. Where we are getting a revenue, sir. Again, you may say these hotels are giving employment to the locals. What kind of employment they are giving to our locals? They are giving all peanuts, all peanuts. Now you must have heard about the what project was coming in Melauni. We have so many institutes, big institutes, good institutes. Our local youths are studying in that. If these people are giving us good employment, good posts, why we, our locals, have to go abroad in other states? So
I understood broadly what you're saying. See, there are... Okay. I'll just comment on what you said. I'll just go there.
सगळ्यांनी तुमचे आपले सुझाव मांडल्यात आणि ते राहुल गांधी सरान आयकल्याय बी तशेंच पार्टीनूय नोट केला. आता आमी मागता I request Rahul Gandhi ji sir to address our gathering.
Once again, I'd like to thank all of you for coming here today.
आपण सगळ्यांक देव बरो कर म्हणटुय आशा तुमी येयलाय म्हण.
I have got to understand quite a few of the issues that are disturbing you.
आपणाक कळला जे इशू गोंयांत आहाय आनी जे ते तुमकां त्रास कोत्ताय ते.
In particular, the coal issue and the railway line issue.
खास करून कोल आनी रेल्वे इशू.
We are going to make sure that your environment is protected here and Goa does not become a coal hub.
आमी तुमकां एश्युरन्स दिताय की हो कोल हब जावपा ना म्हूण आनी आमगे एनवायरमेंट आपण प्रोटेक्ट करता म्हूण.
I think the point raised by the gentleman about hotels is an important point, but what is important is that there is a balance.
आता हॉटेल पॉइंट तें रेस केलो तो गरजेचो पूण एक बॅलन्स दवरपाची गरज आहा.
A balance between development and the environment, a balance between big fishermen and small fishermen, a balance between hotels and homestays.
A balance जे big fishermen, small fishermen, big hotel, small hotel, homestay and environment आणि दुसरे बागानी.
And the most important thing is that the balance has to be in favor of the people of Goa and in particular the people who are poorer in Goa.
हो बॅलन्स जावपा जायो गोंयकारां बसत तांकां फावर जावपा जायो आनी एक सामान्य गरीब मनशाक हो फावर जावपा जायो आनी बॅलन्स त्या उदान जावपा जाय चड.
It must not be in the favor of one or two big businessmen who have huge amounts of money to influence the system.
हो फावोर व्हडले बिझनेसमॅना जावपा जायना तांकां जायत पयशे आहाय आनी तांकां चड पयशे जातले तांकां.
So the role of the government is to defend the rights of the people.
गव्हर्मेंटाचो आमचो गव्हर्मेंटा रोल जातलो लोकांगेले हक्क आहाय ते प्रोटेक्ट करपाक त्यांचो सांबाळ करपाक.
A clean environment is your right. It is the duty of the government to protect your right.
तुमगे आमगेले पर्यावरण म्हणटे बरें जावपा जाय लिंप जावपा जाय आनी हें करपाक हो आमगे गव्हर्मेंटागेलो हक जातलो.
You struggle to go out into the sea because you have to pay huge amounts for petrol, for diesel. It is the job of the government to make that struggle easier.
आतां तुमी दर्या वयता तेन्ना जायत डिझल लागता जायत त्रास जाता हो गव्हर्मेंटागेली ड्युटी जाता आपणागेले हक जाता गव्हर्मेंटाचो की हें तुमगेले त्रास प्रोटेक्ट करपाक म्हणजे तांचो सांबाळ करपाक.
And I have come here to speak to you and more to listen to you because I value what you think and what is important to you.
आपण आज येयला फकत आयकपाक कित्याक तुमी उलयताय तें चड गरजेचें आनी तेका चड दिरेत दिवपाक दुखे आपण हें करपाक आपण उलोवपाक.
We are going to write a manifesto for the Congress party in the coming election.
आमी एक मॅनिफेस्टो तयार करतात फॉर फुडले इलेक्शन येते इलेक्शन.
And the manifesto is going to be written in an open and transparent way with conversations exactly like this one.
आनी मॅनिफेस्टो आमगेलो जो जातलो हे भाशेन लोकांको उलोवन ट्रान्सपेरन्सी म्हणजे सारको निवड आनी नितळ जातलो हें आमी सांगूंक सोदता आपण सांगूंक सोदता.
We will have conversations with fishermen, with environmentalists, with workers, with laborers in Goa, and we will ask them what they want in the Congress manifesto.
आमी हो मॅनिफेस्टो करता आसतना बाचाबाच जातली आमगे नुस्तेकार भावां कडेन जावं दुसरे एनवायरमेंटलिस्टा कडेन जावं दुसरे स्टेक होल्डरां कडेन आनी हो जातलो लोकां जाय तसलो.
And a thread that will run through our manifesto will be the protection of the environment in Goa, the protection of fishermen in Goa, and the protection of all the weak people in Goa.
आमगेलो मॅनिफेस्टो जातलो एनवायरमेंट प्रोटेक्ट त्रास जाताय तांकां नुस्तेकार भावांक हे बारीक सामान मनशांक तेंगे गरजेचो आमगेलो मॅनिफेस्टो जातलो.
I would encourage you to be involved in the discussion of the Congress manifesto.
हांव मागोत तुमकोडे की तुमगे हे बाचाबाच जाता तेन्ना मॅनिफेस्टो तेन्ना तुमी हाश्याच भाग घेवचो आनी तुमगेलें मत मांडचें.
And Girish has just mentioned to me that we have already had consultations
started
on the manifesto. The Congress party's commitment and my commitment to you is that whatever comes in that manifesto is going to be delivered by the Congress party.
आपणागे उतर जे मॅनिफेस्टोन आहा तें आपण कोण दाखयतलो म्हूण पार्टीचे समोर.
I will guarantee you that if on that manifesto is written that Goa is not going to be allowed to become a coal hub, I will guarantee you that that will happen.
आपणागे गॅरंटी जे मॅनिफेस्टोन आहा तें आपण करून दिवपाना ही आपणागे गॅरंटी.
So I would encourage you to be involved in conversations like this so that we are aware of what you want, of what you need, and we can put it into our document, our manifesto, and then deliver it to you.
आपण मागोता की आमगे मॅनिफेस्टो जेन्ना बाचाबाच जाता केश कोन करपाचें तितून हाश्याच भाग घेयाय आनी लोक सांगता तो मॅनिफेस्टो जातलो आनी मॅनिफेस्टो गॅरंटी आपणागेली.
Finally, right in the beginning of this interaction, somebody asked a question about the BJP dividing society, spreading anger and hatred in society.
आमी एकल्यान क्वेश्चन विचारलें बीजेपीन हेट्रेट आनी हें पडे आमचे मतें फलयताय तें कितें कोत्तो काय म्हणून.
And I want to make it very clear what the difference between the Congress and the BJP is.
आपण क्लियर करूंक सोदिता काँग्रेस म्हणलो कितें वोट काँग्रेस तें उबरावत तें आनी बीजेपी कितें.
The Congress believes in uniting all India's people and taking them together forward.
आपण काँग्रेस पार्टीची आपणागे हें आहा की सगळे लोकांक आख्खी इंडिया लोकांक घेवन मुखार वचपाचें.
For us, every single Indian person has a right to be given the space that he requires.
आपणागे पार्टीचा एम आहा की सगळे लोकांक इंडियेचो एक मनशाक तेका स्पेस दिवपाक आमी गव्हर्मेंट तयार करता आसतना वो आमगे गव्हर्मेंट मुखार वता आसतना.
And our response to their hatred is love and affection.
आनी आमगे तेंका जबाब जे ते इतुले लोकांचे हेट्रेड करताय तेंका आमगेलो मोग आनी आमगेलो मोयपास.
So wherever they spread anger, spread hatred, division, we spread love, affection, and we unite people.
जे कोडे ते तेंगे हेट्रेड तेंगेले लोकां मदें अंतर करताय थिंगा आमगेले काम मोग मोयपास आनी लोकां मदें बरे संबंध दिवपाक.
So I'd like to thank you all for coming here today. It has been a pleasure and an honor for me to speak to you.
आज हास्य छापण तुम्ही येयले म्हूण खास करून तुमकां देव बरें करून म्हणटा काळजांतल्यान आनी आपण सांगूंक सोदता की तुमगेलो मोग सदांच आसतलो म्हण आमचे मदें.
And I would like all our traditional fishermen to remember that we are here with you, we are here to support you, and we are going to protect your interest.
आमगे नुस्तेकार भावांक जे हास्य त्रास कोण आज येयले तेंगे त्रासांत आमी सहभागी आसले म्हूण आनी तांचें काम फुडें व्हरपाक हें आमगेलें कार्य जातलें म्हूण.
Thank you very much.
देव बरें करूं.
Namaskar.
Thank you, Rahul sir. आणि एक पावटी लास्ट टाइम तो वैष्णी पळयले उलो रेडी.
आयज पासून आमचो बाजार बंद नाय आणि आमकां नुस्तें इंकल्यार पासून आमकां कांय जायना थिंगा रोडाचेर वास्को 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 हय आमचे बाजार बांदता म्हणटा आयज बांदता फाल्यां बांदता कांयच कोन्ना इतली वर्सां गेली पूण आमकां कांयच करून दिना ते आनी आमी नुस्तें इकीत न्हू आमकां ते गिरायक पासून जायना रोडाचेर लोक नुस्तें इंकता ते रोडाक न्हू जाता तितले बेगीन बाबा तूं साफ कर आमी तूं येयला म्हणून तुकडे रिक्वेस्ट घेवन येयले वास्कोचो लोक. होय तूं बाब आयकतलो म्हण आमचो थँक्यू तुका आनी सगळे येयलेल्या लोकां पासत थँक्यू.
So she's a fisher lady from Vasco. She's asked that as per the rule of the market, 2 kilometer radius you cannot sell fish outside the market area because there are sale outside the market they can't sell and they have been tried to be kicked out from the actual market area and shifted to other area which they don't want and they want to be the existing place only. Thank you.
आम नुव्यास आयले बाबा नुव्यास आयले आम नुव्याची आम फ्रूट कारा फ्रूट इंकताय वास्को आमकां त्या मुन्सिपालिटी सारके दोन आय बाबा वास्को खूब उठयताय आमकां आम नुयां जायत खूब जाणां आय.
The Vasco
वास्को इंकताय आमी वेपार फ्रूट ल्हान आसतना सावन आमी वास्को इंकताय खूब वर्सां जालीं आतां ते आमकां मुन्सिपालिटी जायत स्वतायताय व्हडले पुलीस हाडटाय आमकां मारपाक.